The right welding gloves can make a significant difference in your welding speed, quality of your work, and your safety. The key factor for getting a suitable welding glove is finding the right balance of dexterity and heat protection. Here is some useful information that may help you choosing the welding glove that are right for you. To make the right choice, you need to know what type of welding you will do. Stick welding is one of the most common techniques and is often used in the construction of heavy steel structures. This type of welding uses electricity to melt a metal filler electrode that melts both the metal joint and electrode at once. It fuses two pieces of metal together and fills the joint with filler metal at the same time. With this type of welding, you can expect high heat, a lot of sparks, and splashes of molten metal, and thus a glove with focus on protection rather than precision is recommended. MIG welding, short for metal inert gas, uses electricity to join the metal by forming an arc between the electrode and the metal. This type of welding is more precise than stick welding and works well for longer runs. There will be a significant amount of sparks, but minor splashes of molten metal. Therefore, a balanced glove with both heat protection and precision is recommended. TIG welding, short for tungsten inert gas, is a more technical type of welding requiring a lot of precision. It is a process that joins metals by heating them with an arc between a tungsten electrode that is non-consumable and the workpiece. Since it requires high dexterity to maintain proper control, the type of welding glove recommended is focused on precision. For more information on choosing the right gloves for you or your customers, please visit www.softtouch.se or contact us.